Hey guys, Olaf here from LSE. So this is a product demonstration of our J-Rod 5-port nozzle. As you can see, this is with the 25-degree angle high pressure. Now we're gonna go over to the 45-degree angle high pressure. Next we're going over to the 65-degree high pressure. And then we're going to our 0-degree high pressure. As you can see, this stream is very small, very thin, but very powerful. Reaches up to 30 feet, no problem. And now we're going over to our soft wash tip, which is also shooting 30 plus feet, no problem. As you guys can see, I'm hitting actually against the back fence of the property, no problem. But this is the soft wash for the rinsing. Here you see close up again the 25-degree. I'm changing over then to the 45-degree and then over to the 65-degree, so you guys have an understanding how we set up our 5-port nozzle system for our residential and commercial setups on our J-rods. This is now the 65-degree, and again we demonstrating this right now with 3500 psi, close to 4 gallons a minute pressure. As you can see, when you go backwards a little bit and you have more distance, you're getting a much softer spray now, which is ideal when you walk actually on roofs and doing roof cleaning. As a soft wash system, you have less high pressure, but you have a very nice wide pattern. So if you're walking on shingles, you can actually spray your chemical with that, no problem. And you can change over the degrees, which also allows you then bigger amounts of water. This is again the 0-degree high pressure, and then we get the 0-degree low pressure, which still looks high pressure, but it's not. It's actually allowing more than double the amount of water through the same type of a straight nozzle. If you're using that on a roof, actually it is great for hosing down your chemicals and to clean off the roof from any chemicals being left over. It looks like high pressure, but it's really not. You can actually put your, I wouldn't recommend doing it, but you pretty much see as soon as you have 10 feet or more, it just floods the water onto your roof. This way you can actually hose it down. Especially if you use it with a diaphragm setup, you're only going to have around 100 psi coming out. Most of the time it's actually less of 100 psi, but you have the gallons per minute pushing through. This setup is what we're selling on Amazon right now. It's a 4 gallon per minute setup, all stainless steel. We welding in-house the nozzles together so that you have one block in your hand and you just have to change from one port to another one, so you don't have to mess around with your baggie or whatnot. So if you guys are interested, we have it listed on our Amazon store now for sale. Hit us up also for business pricing if you're a business as well. Thanks again for watching this. Please like and subscribe for more videos about the product actually being used also in the field. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.